Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm filming another 10 by 10 challenge, and this is my autumn edition, and it's also including 10 pieces from my 33 piece autumn wardrobe, so my project 333 that I'm currently doing for the next 3 months. If you haven't heard me ramble about that yet, I'll link a video up in the cards and you can see all the pieces I included. And I also just did 2 other lookbooks, so I think I had 21 outfits per video, so that's 42 outfits, meaning I only have to repeat my outfits once, so I have to wear each outfit twice over the next 90 days, and I'm sorted. Today's video is autumn, but it's kind of that transitional season because the sun is very much out today, and I wanted to kind of include outfits that maybe included a few layers that you could omit if you don't need to, or maybe add in if you are in a chillier climate. I don't really know where it will be cold right now in August, September, other than the UK, which it should be. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope I haven't repeated any outfits from my last 2 videos. I don't think I have, but if I have, that's because I'm a very proud outfit repeater and I don't mind repeating outfits, so I hope you guys don't mind either. Big hello to the last 300 people who subscribed to me in the last week. Amazing to go up that many in 1 week. I hit 3,000 as well last week, which is amazing. Such a milestone. I only just hit 2. So thank you so much to everyone who's subscribed, not just lately, but ever. And if you haven't subscribed already, be sure to do so to see how I get on with these 33 items in my wardrobe for 3 months. Literally until December 1st, I can wear something new. Without further ado, I'll get into the video and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you next week.